Hey everybody, so today we're going to show you how to replace a cracked LCD on a PowerShot SD700 IS. As you can see, it doesn't work, it's cracked. Alright, there are 2 screws on the bottom and 2 on the side. There is also one more screw on the flap where the AD out is at, right there. The other one is where's the battery's at. The battery there, right there. Okay, so let's start taking out the screws. Make sure you put the screws the way you took them out. You don't want to lose. This one right here with the battery door will be the longest screw, so it'll be quite easy to remember where you put it back. As you can see, there you go. This is the new LCD that I'm going to be installing. Alright, so let's take out the base plate. Should come right off. There it is. Now I'll remove this section here. It should slide out real easily. Alright, there it is. There's another screw there that's holding it in place. Take that out. There we go. Now the whole bottom section should come off. That's covering the LCD, so there it is. And there are 2 more screws at the bottom, right there, and right there. So that's what's housing it. Yeah, I know it's out of focus. So there. With the flat screwdriver, you could pry it off this section here gently. It should come right off. And the bottom part is the ribbon. It's connected to the camera. There, it's already loose. The skinny wire is the cable that powers the backlighting, and the thicker one is the LCD wire. So we should need to, before we're taking out the ribbon, we need to pry open, separating the LCD from the backlight. So on all 4 sides, just pry it open gently, and it should come right off. Okay, here it is when it's pried open. Comes out just like that. There is some glue that's glued on the ribbon at the bottom of the backlight, so you're gonna have to gently pull that out. Or in this case, you just pull it right out since the LCD is cracked. like that, so you can work more easily that way. Now we're gonna take the ribbon out by lifting this tab right here. So again, with the screwdriver, just lift it right up. Like that. And now, that's the cracked one. Now let's put in the new one in. There it is. In the same way you took it out, put it back in. Just slide it in and close the tab. Make sure all the connectors are, the ribbon is connecting with the connectors before you close the tab. Alright, now let's put it back together and see if it works. Okay, it's all together. Let's turn it on. And there it is. New LCD screen. Camera works. That's the old one. And this is how the cracked one looks like. Alright, thank you for watching.